11th class. This is your chapter number 3, elections and representation in India. And like in the previous video, we discussed about the election commission and the composition, that we have one CEC, Chief Election Commissioner, and then we have two election commissioners. We saw that for how long the commission is appointed for 6 years ये लोग, और उसके बाद अगर उनकी एज जो है 65 years they attain, so then they have to vacate the office, and we talked about their salaries and all that also. Now here in this video basically we are here to discuss the powers and the functions of the election commission. Many functions are performed by the election commission, right from the preparation of the elections till the result is declared and the government is formed. Now let us see what are those functions. Number one, if we say the election commission supervises, the election commission directs, and the election commission controls elections. That means the supervision, directions and the control. That is the basic function of the election commission. And such elections include elections of the parliament, election of the legislative bodies, ठीक है, स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर के जो इलेक्शन होते हैं MLAs के लिए, एंड द ऑफिस ऑफ द प्रेजिडेंट एंड वाइस प्रेजिडेंट. सो ऑल दीज इलेक्शंस आर बीइंग supervised, being directed and being controlled by the election commission only. Secondly, we can say that the election commission prepares electoral polls. Electoral rolls जो हैं they are also prepared by the election commissioner. Constituencies को delimit करना है, that is also done by the election commission, and it also considers the objections which are raised in this regard. So revision of electoral rolls take place before every general election. सो दिस इज़ द मेजर फंक्शन कि जो एनरोल्ड कैंडिडेट्स हैं, वोटर्स हैं, उनकी जो लिस्ट है उसको फ्रेश प्रॉपर किया जाए. द नेम्स विच आर टू बी स्ट्रक ऑफ उनको निकाला जाए. सपोज़ किसी का डेथ हो गया है, कोई शिफ्ट हो गया है, चेंज हो गया, फॉरेन चला गया, अब्रॉड चला गया, तो उनके अगर नेम आर टू बी स्ट्रक ऑफ, देन फ्रेश और नए एलिजिबल वोटर्स जो है उनके नाम को ऐड किया जाता है, एंड सो ऑन. एवरी इलेक्शन से पहले फ्रेश इलेक्टोरल रोल्स जो हैं वो फ्रेम किए जाते हैं. Then the next function is election commission appoints the officers, returning officers, assistant returning officers, so that they can help to conduct the elections. Allotment of symbols to the parties is also done by the election commission only. ठीक है. एंड देन इलेक्शन कमीशन ओनली डिटर्मिन्स अ क्राइटेरिया फॉर द रिकॉग्निशन ऑफ द पार्टीज, चाहे वो नेशनल पार्टी की कैटेगरी में उनको किया जाए, चाहे वो स्टेट पार्टी, रीजनल पार्टीज. Okay, then another function is the election commission appoints election symbols to the political parties, as I told you, and to the independent candidates even. And if there is any dispute or the controversy regarding the symbol, an appeal against the decision of the election commission can be made to the Supreme Court even. This is there कि अगर कोई क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है regarding the symbol, so that appeal can be there against the decision of the election commission. So these were the functions. Very common, everybody knows it, so point wise you can prepare these functions. Okay, now another thing is that in India the independence of election commission prevails. That means the election commission acts independently. The constitution only has ensured the security of tenure as well as security of tenure of the CEC as well as the other ECs. सो दे हैव फुल इंडिपेंडेंस. उनकी इंडिपेंडेंस सिक्योर्ड है. ये कहाँ से पता चलता है कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज़ इंश्योर्ड, मीन्स दे कैन नॉट बी रिमूव्ड लाइक दैट ओनली. Okay, the commissioners and the CECs can be removed from the office only by a proper process. Other commissioners can be removed from the office on the recommendation of CEC. means what he wants to say is, to convey is that the tenure of office is not at risk. Even the tenure, even there, see, security of tenure. Then for the second point, if we say that how can we say that this is there, that the condition of service of the CEC shall be varied to his disadvantage after his appointment. And the third point in this concern we can say that the president or the governor of the state जो है ये उसकी ड्यूटी है to make available to the commission such staff as may be necessary for the conduct of, जितना staff चाहिए वो president और governor of the state की ड्यूटी है कि election commission को वो staff provide करा जाए. Just see the importance of the commission. Why? Because commission has complete control over the staff on the election duty. It is a very, very effective body, and especially in our Indian political scenario, we had one election CEC. He was T.N. Session. He made this institution very powerful. एक reputed और institution है ये. Constitutional पूरे rights हैं इसको, independent body कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने डिक्लेयर किया हुआ इसको. सो रेपुटेशन है इस कमीशन का. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.